ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. There's a safety information card in the seat back pocket nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end to the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up from the buckle. Position your seatbelt high and low across your hips and wear anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. In the event of an evacuation, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft has life rafts. 2 rafts are located in the ceiling compartment at the front, and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartment at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, there is a life vest under your seat. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray handle are on the full upright and locked position, and your carrying items are completely under the seat in front of you or an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. It is also prohibited to tamper or disable with any smoke detector in the aircraft lavatory, and it is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Lastly, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic strap and breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are seated with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first. Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you're wearing a personal face covering, please remove that prior to donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety, so please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this 57-minute flight to Atlanta. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, double check those seatbelts. We have them clear for departure.